welcome back to our channel once more. Today we are going to look at fractions, precisely addition of fraction, and we are going to look at the butterfly method of adding fractions. We have many methods, but today we are looking at the butterfly method. And with the butterfly method, you get draw something that resembles a butterfly. We have these three examples, and example one, it says that half plus half, in other words, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, or 1 on 2 plus 1 on 2. So how are we working this using the butterfly method? Stay tuned and watch as we go down with the solution. Okay, so what we do is that we going to pair one numerator to one denominator, and thus we have this here. Okay, and we pair this with this, and that is okay. Now let the horn of the butterfly, and that is okay. So we see horn or the antennas, and let the tail. So the tail goes this way. Okay, so what we now do is we multiply this by this, and that will give us 2. And multiply this by this, and that will also give us 2. Now, what is the operation sign? That is plus or addition. So we put our plus sign here. And how are we getting the LCM? To get the LCM, we multiply the two denominators by each other. So we put multiplication sign here, and we multiply this denominator by this denominator, and that will give us 4. Now we add this 2 here to this 2 here, and that will give us 4. 2 plus 2 will give us 4, and the LCM is 4, so we'll bring that down. We have 4. Now 4 will go to 4 how many times? That's 1. So we have 4 here, 1, 4 here, 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore, our answer is 1. Half plus half gives us 1. That is a whole. So now, the answer is 1. Let's also try this. The example 2 using the butterfly method. And with the same scenario, we have this 3 on 4 plus 5 on 7. So let's draw the wings of the butterfly, and that will be this and this, and we have this and this. Okay, now let the antennas, and that will be this and this. Let the tail, and the tail is this. So now let's cross multiply, and that will be, we have 7 times 3, that will give us 21, and 4 times 5, that will give us 20. And what is the operation sign here? Is addition. So we put plus, that's the operation sign, and to get the LCM, we multiply this denominator by this denominator, and that will be 4 times 7, that will be 28. So we have 28. We are multiplying, so we'll put the multiplication sign, and this will give us now 21 plus 20. This will give us 41, and the LCM here is 28, so put our 28 there. But we can still express this to a mixed fraction, or you can leave it like this. So if we are expressing it to a mixed fraction, that will be how many times can 28 go into 41? How many times can 28 go into 41? That will be somewhere, let's say, that's 1. To go into 41, that's 1, plus what will give us plus what will give us 41. That will be okay. So one whole number 13/28, and that is that. Okay, so one whole number 13/28, and let's also use the same method to simplify this fraction, and that will be okay. So we draw the wings of the butterfly. Of course, butterflies fly, so we draw the wings first, and that will be wow. And the other one, that's great. Levels, the antennas, and that will be okay. And the tail, and that will be, of course, the opposite sign in the fraction is addition. So place your addition here, and we are to get the LCM, and to get the LCM we multiply. So we put the multiplication sign here. So now let's move ahead. Multiply this 3 here by the 1 here, and that will give us 3. So we have 3, and we multiply 2 by 4, and that will give us 8. So we have 8, and we multiply 2 by 3, and that will give us 6. So now with the operation sign, we take 3 plus 8, and that will give us 11, and of course the LCM, that will give us 6. So guys, this is the butterfly method of adding fractions. Of course, we are coming with the subtraction, the multiplication, and then other ways of working these fractions without changing the fractions to improper fractions. So these are our butterflies. These are the wings, the antennas, and then the tail.